Whew. So the first thing I'm going to do is unpack all of the rims and put them in the trunk so I can take them to the shop to get mounted. So, Project Fam, I know I've been teasing you with this car, why am I buying these parts for the car? But what you guys don't realize is I bought this car as a salvage. It was a wreck. Like literally, the insurance company said, you know what? It's going to cost way too much money to fix this car, so let's get rid of it. And no, you weren't seeing things. Yes, I did fix it. I mean, I put a lot of time and sweat equity in that car, and I wasn't recording video for the sake of YouTube. Like, I wasn't even thinking about YouTube at that point. I just wanted a project to work on during COVID. All right, let me stop talking about that now and let's get into what I'm doing now. So what I'm doing now is I am unpacking a shelf that I picked up from one of the big box stores, and this shelf is going to replace a shelf that I have in the garage, and I'm going to move it behind the toolbox and straighten up and move the toolbox around so it's easier to get to tools. And it's getting late in the day. I might not finish it today, but let me get started and see where I end. Now that wasn't too bad. All right, so now I am going to swing this toolbox around the other way so it makes it easier for me to get tools when I'm working on the front of the car. So I'm at the front of the car, I go in the toolbox, front of the car, toolbox, makes it much easier. And now I'm going to put this newly created shelf, or a shelf I just put together, behind the toolbox. And this will be perfect for my car stuff. My chemicals on one side, my tools on the other. If that wasn't enough, what I want to do is I want to line this shelf with paper so the smaller things I put on the shelf, like smaller bottles, will not tip over. So now what I'm going to do is just put some liner on the shelf. And while I do that, for those who actually take the time to actually watch the entire video, I'm going to throw in a little bonus. So if you hear this music you're listening to, like, I created that song. I put it together and I thought that was going to be the song of my channel. And I went out and I purchased another song from Fiverr and I put them head to head. And my family chose the other song. So I've been using the other song primarily. And now I'm bringing this out. But yeah, drop a message in the comments. Let me know what you think about this song. Do you never want to hear it again? Because I can easily just put it to rest. But let me know your thoughts. What's up, Project Fam? So this is a continuation from yesterday. So what we managed to do was, let's get some lights on. We managed to put together our shelf, right? And this gives me the right amount of distance for me to get behind here, get my products. This is all for car cleaning stuff. So I might put my polishes up top, car wash stuff, and basically car maintenance things, and all my antifreeze and oil down there. Over here, I'm going to keep taking items off this shelf and put it on the new shelf so I can clean up this whole area. Then next, my goal is to get behind all this stuff here, and I got to get my lawnmower out. There's my lawnmower. That's got to come out. I got to get my lawnmower out, and I was supposed to charge up my batteries for my weed whacker. I didn't do that. So, you know, I guess got to keep moving forward and just doing something every day. For those who are actually watching the video, here is a story behind the story. So you heard about the track that I created, right? All right, so now I'm going to play for you the track that my family thought was better than mine. Yes, they said it was better. So here it is. Let me know what you think. You know, sometimes I wonder, am I just procrastinating? Do I make up these projects to keep me from doing what I really know what I need to do? Is that what's happening? Like, did I really need to get that shelf? Well, in my mind, I needed to get that shelf because the old shelf didn't look good, and I needed to move the old shelf. And when I tried to move it last time, it started to fall apart. So maybe I did need the shelf, but did I need to do all of this right now? I mean, shouldn't I be working on that car? Well, I'm going to pause right here and get started on a new day. Thank you all for watching. Please like this video, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and share to people who you think might like some crazy projects and problems content. Later.